Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I am participating in a closed collaboration hosted by Event Decor and Designs by Aisha. Our collaboration is called 2021 Fantasy Winter Wonderland Wedding Spectacular. Now, I'm gonna leave a link to her channel in the description below. Make sure you go and check out what she created and also subscribe to her channel as well. Now, for this collaboration, I decided to make a backdrop. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I created. I just wanna make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm gonna add some lights to the backdrop and I don't want you to miss out on the whole thing. So stay tuned to the end. Okay, here we go. So this is a triple layer backdrop. There are three poles, crossbars at the top, and it helps to create these three layers. I added snowflakes. I kind of wish I would have added snowflakes that popped out a little bit more, but these just have like a iridescent glitter to them and they kind of blend in a little, but they're visible, but they just don't pop out that much. So I kind of wish I would have used snowflakes that were more like the ones that I used here on the pedestal. So I chose these centerpieces here because I thought the crystals, if you look here, just kind of reminds me of icicles. So I thought that would fit nicely with the theme. Now these are the snowflakes that I have here on the pedestals with my fake snow. So I feel like if I would have used these, they would have popped out a little bit more. But I chose to use the other ones because they were a little bit larger. So that's why I chose to use those. So I decorated these drapes here with the poinsettia flowers. And then I have like a sequin napkin here holding that together. I used the love ladders here, and this can definitely be transformed into like a dessert table. And like if you put like a clear top on the top, you can use it to put like the wedding cake, not the dessert table, but the wedding cake. So I just did the same thing to this pedestal here. These are square pedestals. So I just put the snowflakes here. I believe I got all of my snowflakes from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna make sure I list the items that I used in this video, and I'm gonna leave links for all of the items that I used as well. I just wanted to add that these snowflakes, they are hung with fishing line. So I use safety pins to hang these snowflakes. Now I'm gonna show you how everything looks lit up. So instead of going with string lights, I decided to add lights in another way. So I have these snowflakes projecting onto the backdrop, and I just think it makes it look so beautiful. So instead of just doing the string lights, I just thought that I would spice it up a little. I think snowflakes really say Winter Wonderland. So make sure you visit Event Decor and Designs by Aisha channel. The link will be in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.